Hi, I'm Kelly Smith, Senior Manager of Technical Engagement for the Hands-On Labs, and we're here to tell you a little bit about being on the Labs program and hopefully get you to join us. So we start recruiting for Hands-On Labs volunteers in the about January, February timeframe. You can reach out to our team and we can get you to sign up, the sign up URL so that you can send us your information. Around the March timeframe, we start onboarding folks, and the way we choose volunteers for our program is based on the labs we're going to build for the year. We look at what skills we're going to need and what products knowledge we're going to need, and then we reach out to those folks who really have an enthusiasm for VMware products and really want to be a part of a fun, engaging, team that is making products and making these solutions in these labs for our customers. David, tell us a little bit more about some advantages to being on the program besides how much fun they're going to have.
You're going to have fantastic fun on the program. And here's the reason why, is you're going to be surrounded and working with other peers from different parts of the organization that are just as enthusiastic about the products and solutions as you are. And when that happens and you're working with others on other teams, you get to exchange ideas, you get to see other perspectives, and that camaraderie is really enjoyable and helps make the time that you spend putting into it really enjoyable for you and everyone else on the team. In addition, this is Hands-On Labs is an industry recognized program that it has some clout. What we do here is recognized as something unique, different, and very valuable, not only internally, but externally to our customers and really the entire industry. So being able to have something like this on your resume as something that you've worked on and accomplished is a huge builder there. And I want to call out one thing too, is that while we're looking for individuals that do have that deep technical experience and knowledge as well, long time people that are working on projects and solutions for a while, we're also interested in those that are relatively new, that might have a newer perspective, because it's also an opportunity to grow. And we've seen that. We've actually had individuals that have been coming to the Hands-On Labs as a customer that are now VMware employees, that are now working in the Hands-On Labs program right here. And that's because this program is a place for personal skills development. So this program is not only for those that have a deep, long-term experience with the program, but those that have relatively little experience with the program but have a passion for learning, a passion for networking, a passion for working hard. This is the program for you too, and we want you here.
Come and join the program.